Hi YouTube. So I was recording a video for you yesterday and my fire alarm went off in my condo for the first time since I moved in, and I have it caught on video. So stay tuned for that. Yes, there was a minor fire in my condo building yesterday. Well, around my condo building, one of the bushes on the green space caught on fire from a misplaced cigarette butt. But here's my reaction from hearing the fire alarm for the first time since I moved into my new condo about 6 weeks ago. You go to the official website because you want to support. Well, I hope you enjoyed my reaction. I always jump when I hear loud noises that are unexpected from the air. Even when the telephone rings, I still jump like that because my body reacts before my brain can tell it, hey, it's just a telephone ring. You don't need to jump 10 feet. But it's part of my disability. So a lot of people, when I told them I was moving to this condo, they said, you live too high. What happens when there's a fire or when there's a power outage? You have to walk down 20-some floors to get outside. Are you okay with that? Well, yesterday was a good opportunity for me to find out. And I had to walk down 20-some floors to the parking garage to get out. And I did it fine. I wasn't running, I wasn't scared. I just took my time. And there's some people in the stairway that passed me because they wanted to go down faster than me. I just let them go by on the landing, and I was fine. I was out in about 5 minutes. So when I got down outside my building, there was already about 4 fire trucks there. Was about 25 people ready to fight the fire. And I probably spent maybe 45 minutes outside my building before they let people back in when it was all safe. Overall, I think it was a good experience because I can walk down 20-some floors if I need to. I probably won't do that every day, but if I need to, I can do that. Do you have any experience about living in high-rise condos and dealing with fire alarms? Or when you hear loud noises, do you jump as high as I do? If so, leave me a comment down below. I hope you enjoyed my video, and if you did, please like it down below. And if you like all my videos, please sub to my YouTube channel to support me. Well, until next time, I will see you on YouTube. Bye.